practicing daily, you will get that advantage. So anyway, I hope everyone will complete all activities by tomorrow, and we'll start our 8th lesson activities. So we have covered our theory topic, like what is revenue and what is margin, and what is cost of sales, margin percentage. Is everyone is clear what are all these things?
Yes.
Yes. So we need to start our 8th lesson activities. So you can see here, 8th lesson, you can see this is the first activity. Add price book module is our first activity. We can see here, and build revenue 01 price book module here. So this is the first activity we are going to do. This activity, revenue 01 price book module, we need to add and in our model. So we can go here, insert module, revenue modules. Where should I create? Under the revenue I should create the revenue modules. Is it correct or not? We should not create somewhere. So give the
Yes.
revenue module details, and dimension should be P2 product list and G3 location list we should take. So you can see, in pages we should take P2 product list, and in columns we should take the G3 location list. In pages P2 product list, and in columns G3 location list we should take. Then, so what is our line items? Unit price,
Unit cost.
unit cost, unit price and unit cost. You can see these are the line items we should create. So then we should go ahead, like we should click on OK. This is our module, and format we should change. What are the line items format? We can check here. So what are the formats we have per line item? Format should be USD currency and 2 decimals. We should keep for these 2 line items as a format. So then if I want to change format, what should I do? I should click here, and US dollars, you can see here, we should click here, decimals 2 decimals, we should keep here 2 decimals. So if I set format for one line item, what can I do? Simply I can copy this one and I can paste for the second line item.
Copy paste.
There is no need to do again and again. So once if I complete all activity, all formats, so I can check my answer with the screenshot of Learning Center. Once if we complete, so is it perfect or is there anything wrong here? Yes. So everything is perfect, nothing is wrong.
Yes, it's fine.
So it is fine. So that we can go for the next activity, add volume inputs module. So next activity we have revenue volume inputs module we need to create here. Ayan once called to Alam and ask him to call this Abdul Hafiz and MD of Hamid. Ayan once called to Muthulakshmi as well. Try to call Muthulakshmi as well. So we can see here, we need to create another module, revenue price book module. This one, revenue volume input module, we need to create under the revenue price book module. You can see here, once if I copy this one, revenue price volume input module, I can copy here that name, and what are the dimensions should I take here? So time, P2 product list, and G3 location list. So these three dimensions I should take, and line item should be volumes. So simply you can take time and P2 products and G3 locations. So you can see G3 locations and P2 products, and time should be the time already it is there. Simply you can keep it. So
Asif, I have a question here.
yes,
Sorry to interrupt. So in the prior lesson, they clearly mentioned like what should go to P2 should go to pages, and the other one came in the other dimension. But here both went to pages, two dimensions. Time we kept it in the columns, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So what is there? Because we don't have an instruction in this lesson. So how we determine this? Is there any
Uh,
logic or rule something like that?
yes, where it is appears time default, where it is appear
Default it comes in columns only.
column, then whatever
When
the
we go to
dimensions you
rows,
have, extra dimension you should keep pages, that's it. Earlier one, we don't have dimension, that is the reason we should remove the time. Then
correct.
which one should keep column,
Ah,
which one should keep in pages, they have mentioned, that's it. Nothing is a secret.
okay.
So
So
small
apart
thing.
from if we have time kept, I think
Yes,
got
if
it.
we have time, it should be always in column, and items in rows, and whatever the extra dimensions we have, so that is, it will get under
Pages.
the pages. That's it. Nothing is there. And even this is a default view. If you want in different view,
Yeah,
we
we
can
can change.
change the
Can change.
dimensions. So if I want time
Yes,
in
if we want.
pages, I can make that comes under the next classes. So this is a default view.
Okay. Okay.
Default view will be rows will be there in line item, in column we should have time.
Yes. Yes.
Give me 1 minute. So anyway, we can see here, we need to compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. So is it correct whatever we have done? Yes.
Yes.
So everything is perfect. We can go for the next activity. So You can see here. You can see here module name, like we need to create another module here, revenue 03 margin calculation module. So we need to create this one. So we should go again under the revenue 02 volume input and insert the module revenue 03 margin calculation module. So what are the dimensions we should take? G3 location and P2 product once again. So time is also there. So G3 location and P2 products. Once again we should take all these dimensions. And what are the line items we should take here? You can see we should take these 4 line items. So we can see here. So after creating this line item, we should change the format of each and every line item. Then you should compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So just change the format. So format should be US dollar sign 0 decimals. We should keep this one.
Hello?
Then you can
Sir, are you
compare.
sharing the screen?
Yes, I am sharing my screen.
Actually, I did not get, so I'm just checking. Okay, I will log out and log in again.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So you can see here I have changed for this one line item. Then I am doing copy and I am pasting for all line items. So is it perfect? You can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So whatever we have done, so is it correct what we got, or is there anything wrong here? Yes. Yes. Can you check? Is there anything wrong?
The last field, last row.
Yes, we need to change this format. So you can see this is a different format. Percentage 2 decimals.
Percentage and decimals. Yes.
So that is the reason we need to change last one format, margin percentage. So just you need to keep percentage here and then keep 2 decimals here. Simply you will get the proper answer. Yes, you can see now everything is perfect, so that we can go for the next activity. You can see here, and we have done this one. So next you can see copy down and copy across. You can see. So what is copy down, copy across? Nothing but, so already I have used it so many times, this one. And so what is mean by copy across and copy down means? So we have used this functionality earlier. So if I open any example module, so what example model if I open, here we can implement whatever the changes if I want. So what is copy across and copy down means, if I did copy some module, so you can see what is this copy. So copy across means if I write something here 100, and by clicking here, and if I click this one, so I will get 100 copy across the rows you will get. Copy across means the whatever the cell this value it consists, it comes across this row till wherever you have this time period. Copy down means, again if I click here, if I click on copy down, so what happens, so whatever the value I copy here, it comes across the column. Copy across means across the row, and copy down means across the column. You can see here horizontal and vertical. So whatever we want to copy, and we can copy. If I want all zeros, then I should write here 0, and what should I do? Simply copy down I will do. Again, if I want down across the row, if I want zeros, then simply I will do. So horizontal and vertical. So this one we should check. This is very important functionality. And other than that for summary methods. What are the summary methods? Summary method settings means, so summary methods are very important one. So we have different summary methods, and each and every interview, most of the time they will ask summary methods. We have different summary methods we have. So summary method, none, sum, formula, average, ratio, and minimum, maximum, opening balance, closing balance, all, any, first non-blank, last non-blanks. These are the summary methods we have. So we should remember all these summary methods, and we should implement in our modules. So for example, what is summary method means? So if I open any module, so I do copy this module, revenue 03 margin calculation. If I want copy any module, I should click on the copy, and then I should click on OK. I will get copy of that module. You can see copy module, I can see here copy. So this is a copied module. What is the summary method? What is summary method means? You can see here, summary is nothing but, we know everyone, it is clear. So it get totals. Summary is nothing but the totals. So what is summary of 1 year? So for summary of financial 24 year is, you will get it will get adds January, February, March, April, May, June till December. January to December you will get the summary. After completing this year, you will get, after December, summary you will get. Total year details you can see in the summary. So in this way, you can see here, this is summary. Financial year 19 detail is your summary. Whatever the sales data it consists revenue, you can see this is a summary. So this is known as a summary across the time. And one more thing, you can see, first of all you try to understand this one. If I turn off summary here, what happened you can see. If I keep none, summary methods you have so many options, just now we have seen, like summary method, you can see if I click here, if I want to keep none, sum, none, formula, average, ratio, minimum, maximum, you can see all these things. So in this way we can understand. If I keep none here, what happened? I can't see anything for the total. You can see. Can I see any total line item? For revenue line item, I have kept none here for summary method. Can we see anything here?
No.
So for these cells, these line items, we can see the summaries. Why means we turned off the summary method. That is the thing. Summary means you will not get any total if you remove the summary method. So if I don't remove, I can see summary in this way. So this is the main thing. But we have two types of summaries. So what are two types of summaries means? So I will show this one. One is the across the time, and one is the across the dimension. So what is this across the dimension? You can see here. How many types of summaries we have? if we select this one, summary, main summary, this is the main summary, time summary, both the summaries we have. So what is mean by this one, main summary and time summary means, whatever time summary means across the time total, like financial total and half year total, quarter total, whatever you have, you will get in the time summary. What is mean by main summary means, this is the across the dimension. So what is mean by across the dimension means, I will show this one. So you can see we are using here G3 locations. What are the dimensions? G3 locations and P2 products we are using. So if you see this one, so these are the different product details. So after, what is this one, this 4000, this chocolate is the parent for the product family for the this P2 products. Is it correct or not? Yes.
Yes.
So this is the summary of this P2 products is the P1 product family. If you see this one, so this New York is there. So if I consider New York, what happened? So all the New York, Chicago and everything is there. So if I consider that one, what is, first of all you consider only this one. You understand across the dimension mean P2 products, and this is the P1 product family. 4000 you can see. All products are adding into their parent product family. So if I turn it off this, if I turn it off this summary method, main summary, I couldn't see this one. So if I turn it off across the time summary, I couldn't see this one. So how it will happen, you can see. First of all, I will turn on cost of sales, main summary I will turn on. Main summary means across the, if I keep summary here none, if I keep time summary sum, what happened we can see. So main summary I turn it off. Main summary means across the dimensions, whatever the P2 products we are using. P2 products is the child of P1 product family. So it is P2 product is not rolling up into P1 product family. We are not getting add into P1 product family. But still you can see here time summary. Why means time summary we turn it up. In the next time what I do, I will turn off that one as well. So you can see I will turn off time summary as well. If I keep none here, so what can we see? We can't see across the time, and we can't see across the dimension, and even I can't see across the time. Is it clear? If I turn off both the things, I can't see anything across the dimensions and across the time. What is meant by main summary and what is meant by time summary? Yes.
Main summary is across dimensions. Time summary is run the period.
Time summary means across the time period, and main summary means the across the dimension. So that we should understand.
Yes.
So these summary methods also in each, most of the interview they will ask. Not every interview, but most of the interviews they will ask what are the different types of summary methods we have, what is the advantage of summary method, and these type of questions they will ask. So that is the reason we should turn on main summary and time summary. So simply I will what I do, I will turn on this one, so that I will get the each and every value. Again you can see across the dimension also I am getting, across the time also I am getting here if I turn on the summary methods. So these are the summary methods. So this is the different types of summary methods we have. So that one we need to understand. So what is that summary methods? Sum is for like a number format we have. So additional over time and hierarchical aggregation. So we are applying for the number format whatever we have seen. So you can see none shows the blank zeros. If I keep none, it shows the zeros. Formula means whatever the formula you apply in the totals, it will apply for that one formula. So average means you will get the average of the time across the time. So ratio means, so whatever the ratio you will apply, compare between the two line items, that you will get the ratio 100 by 60. So like that you will get. And minimum means whatever the smallest value involved in that year. If I click on minimum, maximum means I will get the across that year whichever the values the maximum is there, you will get in the summary item if you use this one. Opening balance means first time period value, closing balance means last time period value. So you can see all and any we use for the boolean. So all means if you get all true, then only you will get true here. Any means if you get any true, you will get that true. You will get true in the boolean line item. First non-blank means first cell which consists the data, and last non-blank means last cell which consists the data. So these are the different summary methods we can keep in our summary methods. So that is we need to do here in our modules. They are suggesting in activity update summary methods. For this module we need to add the summary methods here. And for what are the modules we need to set the summary method means, first of all we need to set summary methods for the price book module. Open price book module and open blueprint view. Then summary method should change average for the both the line items. Go to revenue price book module. In our modules, revenue price book module.
And most of the time in projects, which one we use
Yes,
mostly? In projects, mostly which one you use? Like some
some we
formula.
use, mostly we use some.
Okay.
Number format line item we use mostly, that is the reason we use some mostly.
Okay.
You can see for these two line items we should keep the average, unit price and unit cost summary methods. They are suggesting, they are in giving instruction that they need average for this revenue price book module. That is the reason under the summary column change the summary method to average for the both the line items. That's it. So for second line item revenue volume input, we need to change the summary method to sum. Open revenue volume input module, second module, already it is there here. And go to blueprint view, keep here summary method sum. And what is the next module? Third module, revenue zero to margin calculation module. So we need to keep summary methods sum for 3 line items and none for 4th line item. You can see here. I should keep here sum up to 3 line items. I should keep sum, and here I should keep the none. Is it correct? Whatever we have done.
Yes.
So we can go for the next activity. Then we have turned on summary methods. Then we can import data into price book modules. We can do the import now. So we can see here, download Excel file, and in revenue price book we need to import the data. So what should we do? Simply import data into revenue price book module. We should go to revenue price book module first, where we have revenue price book module. Here we have, simply we should come out of blueprint view. So click on data, simply click on import. Upload new file. So you can see, then click on our download. Just now we have done. You can see price book module. So you can click admins only So header row is first one, you can see data is starting from second row, so there is no need to bother about that one. Then now you need to map carefully here. So what which one we should map? P2 product, new job bar, raising the bar, cookie crumbs, where we have this dimension,
Product code.
we have in column 2 product code. So that is the reason we should select the product code we have in column 2, where we have G3 location, New York, Chicago, San Francisco, where I have this detail
Location code.
location code in column we have, you can see this one. So that is the reason, so we should select column 1. So other than that one, you have like unit price and unit cost, you have third and fourth. I can't keep third and fourth, that is the reason I am keeping here column header. After mapping here, each and every tab we should check either it is mapping or not. You can see everything is mapping, everything is mapping. So everything is perfect, everything is mapping. So then directly you should,
1 minute.
yes,
Can you please go to the G3 location tab here? So we have one blue line item, right, in the right
yes,
hand
one
side.
blue one is there, head office, but it in source we don't have that one. You can see head office we have, but we here we don't have that head office. That is the reason you can't map. So that is the extra one you have, so you don't have here. If you have here head office, you can select manually here, and you should click on manually here. So by clicking here and this head office, it will get select, it will get map, but we don't have head office here, we can't map. So that is extra one, so don't bother about that. So something we have ignored, by clicking this one it get ignored. San Francisco is get ignored, so by clicking here. So I have mapped, if I have that option I can map here, but if we don't have head office, we can't map. So anyway we don't have that one here in left hand side, so that is the reason we can't map. So we can see here next, everything is mapped, so you can click on run import now.
Asif bhai, I have a question so here you can see only one and two item is not mapped, so you manually update it. For example, in live data we have thousands of cells and more than 100 cells are not mapped. So how can we rectify that?
No,
For
no,
example.
we don't do manually map there. We need to check the file. If you have file properly, we need to set the file properly. Then it will get map. When will you do manual map means one or two items are, it's by spelling mistake. If you have any mistake, you can map manually. So if you have
Mm,
everything is wrong, then we should do first we should bring file proper manner. Then we should you know, import the file. That is the best
okay,
practice.
so first we check the file, whatever we have, we match. Out of this, man, we import that. If file is okay, then only we import. Okay.
Yes, yes. So we can't map manually the
Okay, thank you.
cells. If you have by mistake, if you
Okay.
have any spelling mistake, if you need to map
Mm-hmm.
manually, then we can map one or two items like that.
Okay. Okay, got it. Thank you, Asif.
You can see here we imported properly here. Everything is fine. So you can compare our answer with screenshot of learning center. You can see here. So we got this answer. So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect? Whatever we have done?
Sir,
Uh,
so, sorry to interrupt you. I have a question here. One
yes.
technical question. So we did everything perfect. I suppose I forgot to change that option admin only. So how can I check it whether I kept admin only or something else after doing this? We
While
run it,
doing
there is no error.
while doing admins only, what happened? Is it
No, no, I did not check that. Yeah, I did not. I am not sure whether I opted admin only or not. But my output, as you showed now, there is no error.
okay?
Okay,
You
by
will not
running.
get a error. What is the difference between the admins only and keep private? Like something you have option there. After 48 hours, file will not available in our Anaplan. If you keep private, if you keep admins only, what happened after 48 hours also, you can see that file in Anaplan. Like,
Permanently it will be there.
what happened if I go to
No, that is
actions?
fine. Uh-huh.
So these files are there. We have whatever the file imported. So if I click, what happened? I can see whatever the data I import, I will get mapping like this. Nothing but that file is
Correct.
available. So if I go
Correct.
to example model, for example, if I go to example model, they don't do like admins only. They will keep simple. They will keep, so normal. They will keep. If I try to do edit, what happens? You can see here. The uploaded file no longer available, please upload the file again. You will get like this is the difference between the, if you keep private and admins only. So that is the difference, that's it. Everything will
Okay.
get perfect. Answer is not a problem. You will get you will not get file again here. Once again you need to upload.
Okay.
If I
But is there any other than this? Because it is not, unless we open it, it will say like it is not existing, you upload it again. But if I did it now and if I want to check it now, is there any way to check it like that?
so
Or do you need to do it
48
again,
hours,
importing?
after 48 hours only you can see if file is there or not. Before that you will available, you can see that file up to 48 hours.
Okay. It doesn't make any difference. I will
Yes,
choose
after
it that way.
48 hours you can check.
I come across like that. I did it Saturday, and then I was looking Saturday, Sunday. But today when I checked it, it is not there. So then I realized something went wrong. Okay,
Yes,
now
yes.
it's clear.
So try to keep admins only, that will be helpful for. That is the reason always I'm keeping.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Every time I used to do, somehow this download, I
Nothing
did
will
it
happen.
like that. But
You
now,
don't. You will
yeah,
not see that mapping. That is the issue. That's it. If you have that one,
yeah, yeah.
see the mapping.
Okay,
So anyway, we can see here like we have completed this activity, import that data into price module, then import data into volume inputs module. You can see this is another activity. So we can import data into volume inputs module, same procedure. So open our module revenue 02 volume inputs module, already it is there here. Simply you can come out of blueprint view, click on data, click on import. Here some small difference is there here. While uploading the data, you should observe here, you should take care here. So what is here, what is the problem here? You can,
headers, headers.
headers you have in second row, not first row.
Yes,
We have generally header in first row, data starts from second row, but here we have headers in second row and data starts from the third row. That is the reason you can click header is the second and first data starts from the third one. So that is a thing we need to check. What is mean by this value means it is a fixed line item, we can keep as a fixed one. We don't have any rows and column for this value specially. So that is the reason we should check carefully this one. And once if I click on next, everything is perfect. You should keep same way. So time, anyway we have the column headers, you can see so many columns we have time. So that is the reason I should keep the column headers. And P2 products, so new job or raising the bar, where I have product details here. Yes,
Column one product code.
product code in column 1 we have, and where we have G3 this one.
Second column location code.
So column 2 we have this one, and where we have line items volumes, we have volumes here top left. But how we can keep means this is a fixed line item we
fixed,
should keep.
fixed
Yeah,
text line.
that's fine.
So fixed one we should keep, and then we should go to this volume revenue volume inputs line item table, and you should keep select, we should select the volume. This is the option we should do. So then you can see time. So time, what is the format we have? Time tab, you can see 4 year y and 01 is a month. We should keep here periods.
month year.
Select 4 y's and 2 m's. It is perfect. And you can see this one, everything is get mapped here. So whatever the gray color is there, why it is not get mapping? Are you getting
Formulas.
here?
Formulas.
Formulas.
Not formula, these are the like parents. P2
Okay.
product dimension we are checking. So whatever
Parent.
gray color is there, P2 parent, P2 products parent is the P1 product family. Like you can see all products is the top level, Fudge is the P1 product family, chocolates, toffee, source, these are the product families. So these are the parent for the P2 products. So you can see this will not get mapped. All that are not P2 products, that are the parent for the P2 products. So that you can see automatically here. Chocolate, source, toffee, fudge. So these are the parents for the this one P2 product. That is the reason it is not getting mapping. So we should not bother about that one. Here also for location also same thing. For location, what is the parent? Countries. So you can see countries US is not getting mapping. So these are the location, head office, phonics, everything is getting mapping. You can see here. Countries will not get mapped, locations will get mapped, but you can see even the countries in gray color. So then you can see the revenue volume input also we have selected, everything is fine. Then you can click on run import. Yes, everything is perfect, we got successful. So you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So I have stopped your screen, give me a minute. So we need to compare our answer with the screenshot of learning center. So whether we are getting proper answer or not. So simply you can check your screenshot. Is it perfect whatever we have done? Volume January 2019 you are getting 260 and 369 for the February. Is it correct or anything wrong here? Yes.
Correct.
So correct only, so that we can go for the, we can check for next activity. So what are other activities we have? So we have another activity, add formulas for the margin calculation module. So how we need to add the formulas for margin calculation module means simple thing. Already we know this one. So we have observed in our theory part only. If I want to get revenue, what should I do? This is revenue margin calculation. So what should I know if I want to get revenue? What are the things we
Volume into price.
volume into price? You can see volume, you have revenue volume inputs module. That is the reason I am going revenue volume inputs module and selecting volume line item. Then price I should know. Where I have price, revenue price price book module I have price. I am selecting that line item. In between I am clicking on the star. Nothing but we are multiplying with the volume with the price. So simple thing. We should not get confused. Here revenue is, if I want write any formula, I should select this line item. Then I should click on double 7. Then I should click on here double click, or you can see edit also we had earlier here. If I click on edit, so that also I can see this one. So what should I do? What are the things I should multiply volume into price? So what should I do? I should go to volume input module and I should select this volume line item. If I select line item, I will get revenue volume inputs module name dot line item name. Then I should click into, then I should click multiply with the price. Where I have price, revenue price book module. Simply I should go and I should click on price, unit price. Then I will get module name dot unit price. Then apply, click on apply. I will get the revenue, how much I am getting. Simply I will get the revenue, how I am getting, I can see here. This is the way how I will get the revenue. If I want to cost of sales, so how I will get the cost of sales, how we should what should multiply with what if I want to cost of sales?
Again, volume into cost.
Volume into cost, that's it. Same thing, volume input module, volume, then click on cost. Where we have cost in revenue price book module only, I have unit cost as well. I should come here, simply I should click unit cost. Simply I will get the cost of sales. That is enough. So I will get the cost of sales. Then if I want margin, what should I do? For margin, what is the formula we have?
Value.
Revenue was cost of
Revenue divided by revenue
No, not divided by.
sorry, margin, revenue minus cost.
cost of
Revenue
sale.
minus cost.
Revenue minus cost.
Revenue minus
That's
cost of
it.
sales. Cost of sales.
From revenue we should subtract how much we are doing expenditure for that goods. You will get the margin. That is fine. So what is the margin percentage?
Margin by revenue.
Margin by revenue, that's it. Margin divided by revenue is the margin percentage. You will get the margin percentage. So in this way you can understand, you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. Is it perfect whatever we have done? You can see New York and chocolate I should select here. So don't compare directly. You should watch at least pages as well. New York and chocolate 14318. If I watch what happened, I have only 218 302. I didn't select here New York and chocolates. So in that way, you if you do this way, what happened? You will get confused. So which one I should select? Chocolates. Chocolates and New York I should select, and chocolates I should select New York and chocolates. So you can compare then answer. Is there fine, and chocolates are there, but still you are getting wrong answer. So where we have done mistake, we need to check. So what is the problem, why we are getting the wrong answer here? Earlier we got proper answer. New York and chocolates, here something is getting missing here. So where we are doing mistake, we need to understand. Revenue minus cost as a margin divided by revenue. So we need to check once again why you are getting the wrong answer. So
summary method.
yes, so we didn't take proper summary method here. We need to keep sum here. We need to keep sum here. We'll get a proper answer.
Except last one.
Then you can compare your answer. So now you can see, is it perfect whatever we have done or not? Everything is perfect 14, but you are not getting this one. We'll check this one. Margin percentage should be, we should take
Dividing
percentage and
Percent. Two decimals.
I think we should keep formula here. So we should keep formula for this one.
Yeah.
Yes, you can see everything will be perfect now. Is it correct whatever we have done? Yes, if you
Yes.
wrong, you can get the you error, or you can see that you will not match your screenshot. So but the thing is, you need to select proper page selectors here. New York and chocolates you should select. Without watching that one, if you try to understand that one, what happens, simply you will do mistake. Is it clear what happening here?
Yes.
So in this way we have completed till this one 8.6.4. So tomorrow we'll complete this eighth lesson. We have only 3-4 activities. So that we can go ahead. So try to complete all these activities now itself and update me. So that will be helpful for you. Otherwise, what happened, you will get confused. So even you can see this Sudhir guy is there, and I have shared. Do I have shared this Sudhir guy number to you?
No, no, sir.
You don't have this his number. So anyway, like Irfan is there, already I have given his number, and I will share this Sudhir number as well. So try to complete this all activities now itself and update me. So if you have any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, we can wrap up our session. Tomorrow I will cover some function, how we'll work with some function and what are the importance. We have like activities some regarding some we have. So tomorrow we'll work out on some and other activities. Do you have any doubt here, or if you have any doubt you can ask?
You're going to share this video, right? After the meeting?
Yes.
No, after the meeting, are you going to share this video, right?